right, we're here for Teacher Tuesday with Mr. Singer, our living environment and zoology teacher.
Animal specialist.
Animal specialist.
Animal
Yes.
specialist. Devonna, she's my co-animal specialist.
Yes.
And hope you're all having a good Tuesday. I know sometimes kids have issues in class, they get a little tired and stuff, so Mr. Singer has a special way that in zoology, we take care of kids who are not doing their work. I actually have a student right now not doing their work, so come on with me, kids, and we'll see. You want to fall asleep in Mr. Singer's class, huh? Not acceptable. Don't mess with Mr. Singer in his class and his roaches. Stay awake and learn.
Thank you, Mr. Singer.
This Thursday in room 201, there's going to be a 5-hour pre-licensing course. Make sure you bring your learner's permit and your $35 fee. There's no sign-up needed.
We're here today with Emily Viola, an executive board member of the Henniger Students United Student Union, and she has a special message for us about the homecoming dance. Emily?
Okay, we're here to talk about the homecoming dance, which is a huge deal for seniors especially because we've never had one all 4 of our years. A big thing is everyone keeps saying the dances are so stupid, the music sucks, but the seniors actually got together this year. We chose the DJ and a few of the other seniors, me, Capri, Jalea, Tamaya Brown, Carly Ritchie. We all got together and did the music, and I really encourage you guys to go. This is going to be a big deal, and it's going to be a lot of fun. It's the 17th. Buy your tickets. They're $5 in lunch, $5 at the door. All the sales are going on now. Okay, that's it.
Boys interested in playing basketball, varsity, JV, and freshman. There is a meeting today, October 8th, in the gym at 2:30. If you cannot make it, please see Coach Shaloni.
Club's first meeting will be Wednesday, the 9th, from 2:30 to 2:50 at the Distance Learning Room, 226A. Everyone is welcome.
Attention Henniger, students who are interested in going to DECA and whose names is in between A and M, please come to the meeting October 8th, Tuesday, during advisement in room 213.
Hello there. Do you like nachos? Or maybe a better question to ask would be, who doesn't like nachos? And if you do, just remember that on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, to support PBIS, nachos are $2 in lunch, 50 cents extra for jalapenos. Be there.
Our returning boys varsity lacrosse player or an 11th or 12th grade player interested in playing lacrosse this spring, please come to a brief informational meeting about the fall-winter workouts and the upcoming winter tournament at SUNY Brockport. The meeting will be held after school Thursday, October 9th in Mr. Germain's room, room 220 at 2:35. Again, this is an informational meeting on Thursday, October 9th at 2:35 in room 220 for returning varsity players or current 11th or 12th boys, lacrosse players who are interested in playing this spring. If you have any questions, please see Coach Garnett. Is that your same name?
Here we have a skipper, Mia Segroy,
Skipping, I'm going to class.
and she doesn't have a pass.
There's a coach right here.